guys, I'm back, and this time I have a Wantable. Ooh. This is my second Wantable box. First one was okay. Thought I'd try it one more time to see if there was anything that I would like in it. So let's get going on this one. See what Wantable sent me this month. If it's anything good. Similar to Stitch Fix. You got your 5 days. Well, Stitch Fix you get 3 days. Wantable you get 5 days. Same thing, prepaid label, all that fun stuff. So let's get going. Here is my bundle here. They do send quite a few items with your box. So first up is jeans, and they are cut by the Kloth. Skinny jeans, no distressing, which is nice. I seem to think that a lot of the boxes are sending a ton of distressing stuff out lately, and I'm all for a distressing jean, but you know, sometimes you have to have a little bit of variety in your jeans there. I don't mind these. One thing I hate most about jeans when they get like a lot of the washing done in them is the butt area. When you have like that circle going around your butt, or you have like a stripe going down your leg. There's a little bit in there, but not too bad. Kind of just drives me nuts. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Second item. It's a little slinky, silky tee with no sleeves. It does have like a little bit of a split in the back, so we'll see about that. Show off some of my back fat. This looks cute. Oh, is this a dress? Oh, this is a dress. Oh, this is going to be really short. I'll try this on for you guys, and I always get these dresses, and I love dresses, but I'm 5'11". If you watched my Stitch Fix video, I did say that, and I have such an issue with finding dresses that fit me properly with the length. I'm not a teenager anymore, so in fact, I'm going to be 40 in May, so I am far from being a teenager, but it's really cute. It's kind of see-through, but I love the pattern on this. And I'm not a huge patterny person, but that's very cute. This is some type of a black V-neck. Okay, this is like a Dolman V-neck tee. That could be cute. Another black item. This is a long sleeve ribbed V-neck. It has the ruching there on the sides. I wore a lot of these through my pregnancy, so I'm not sure how I'll feel about that once I try it on. And this ribbing really clings to all of my lumps and bumps that I have. But it could be cute. We'll try that too. Now I'm loving this color, guys. This color is beautiful, perfect for spring. It's kind of a really pretty pinkish red. It's really cute, and it's just a tee. But it's not even really a t-shirt. It's kind of a mix between a sweater and a t-shirt. It's actually made by Wantable, so we'll see how that goes. This box is actually much better than my my last box that they gave me, so kind of excited to get trying this stuff on. And I have another pair of jeans, the Dear John. A little bit of distressing in these. See what I mean about these little, it's not like that on the butt though, so that's good. I don't mind it so much on the front. It's more around the butt area that really gets me. We'll see if these jeans are long enough. If they are, kudos to Wantable. Cut from the Kloth usually seems to be a pretty good length. Their inseam is more like a 30.5 inch, and my leg is about a 32.5 inch leg, or inseam of my leg. So we'll see how Dear John does. I've never got a pair of Dear John jeans from any of my boxes, so we'll try these on. I'll be back, and I'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we're back. I'm loving the color of this shirt. I think the back detail is very cute. It doesn't go up too far in your back, where I still obviously have to wear a cami under it, but my little lumpsies and bumpsies. I don't like sleeveless shirts much because I have this little fatty area. I've always had it. In fact, my mother wouldn't ever let me wear certain swimsuits because she's like, hey, you got these little fatty arms. Anyway, the pants actually fit great. They're long enough. Let's see if I go back farther, which is wonderful. I mean, they're to my ankle, so I can't complain about that. They're a little bit more high-waisted. They're not bad in the butt. So overall, if I liked sleeveless tops, this would be a keeper, but I don't think it is. But it's very cute. Loving the color. We'll go on to the next one. Okay, guys, we're back. Again, I love the color of this shirt, but you can see where it's kind of clingy, and you can see what I like to call my front butt. I've had 4 kids, so it's a little too clingy for me. The color is beautiful. I like it's a little bit longer in the back. I love the rounded hem. It's very lightweight. You can see through it. In fact, if you look, you can see the tags on the side through it. So it is more see-through. This top is, I think, $48. That last one I just tried on was $60, and I definitely don't think that that other top was worth $60. I think this one's $48. It's a little bit more reasonable, and I'm wearing the, I didn't tell you guys, these are the cut from the Kloth jeans, and they're $89. I do like these jeans. I have a pair of cut from the Kloth, so these might be a keeper. I might already have one in this color, so I honestly don't need a bunch of the same color pairs of jeans, but yeah, so this is that one. Very cute. I like the sleeve length. It does have the rolled sleeve on it. Again, it is a little bit more sweatery, but as you can see like my cami I'm wearing through it. And it does like to hug areas. So this one's probably not for me either, but they're doing much better than they did last time. So way to go, Wantable, way to go. So we're gonna try the black tee on next and see how those look. So I'll be back. Okay guys, we've got the Dolman top on. Not usually a big Dolman top person, but this one I actually don't mind. It actually drapes really nicely. It's not just kind of a bunch of extra material. It has a really nice draping in the arm, which I actually really don't mind. I love Dolman tops because they do have it's a little bit tighter and you can do, you know, your different little things with it. I was just looking at my sheet, and this actually isn't supposed to be in my box. If you look, they have this should be the split sleeve top, which that is not this top. So I don't really know how much this one is. So depending on the price, it could be a keeper. I don't have a lot of black tops, so who knows. And I did put the Dear John jeans on. I like them, and again, they're long enough. This is like a 2 for 2 for jeans, which is, this doesn't ever happen for me at all. I don't know what the butt looks like, so I don't know, pockets are a big thing, you know? You don't want your butt to look too nasty, I guess. I have a flat butt, so anything that would help accentuate it would be great. Yeah, so not bad. I do like these jeans. They're really comfortable. I've never tried Dear John. I don't mind a little bit of the stressing. They look good. Curious to know how much this top is. I'm assuming it's gonna be around, the other top they put in there I think said $68, and if it's $68, I can't with that. It's a little bit see-through. Well, a little bit. Look at that. It is see-through. I mean, you can see all my goods. So I did keep that black cami, but again, I love the way this one drapes. I'll leave everything down below. I'm not sure with Wantable if you can actually request items or if you just do it by their stream. They put like a stream up and you can say decline requests. I think I didn't request like anything this time. So I find some of their stuff is a little bit more businessy, although they did really good with this box. So I will try on the next black long sleeve top, and then we'll be to the dress, which the dress should be interesting. All right. Okay, guys, I'm back with the long sleeve one. This actually fits really nice. It's really soft. Again, it is a little bit see-through, so I cut my cami under it. I actually don't mind the ruching. Still likes to go underneath my little front butt, but it's not bad. I do like it. This one's by Wantable, I believe, so it's $48. I'll leave everything down below in the description box so you can see it. The more I'm wearing these jeans, the more I actually really, really like them because there's not too much distressing. Yeah, so there's not much to say about this top. It fits nicely across, like it just fits really nicely. Like it's tight, but it's not too tight. I have long arms, so I mean these are extra long on my arms, which makes it nice. It's light, so it could totally go into spring, even though it's a black shirt. So yeah, this could be a keeper. Of course, $48 for a thin shirt like this. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. So I'm gonna try that dress on next. We'll see what we think about that dress. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back with the dress. I really wish this dress was longer because I love the pattern. If it was a shirt, it does go a little bit lower in the back, but it's just too short. It's just too short for me. I mean, it's too short. If it went down to my knees, I would love it. I love how it goes off a little bit. It covers up all up here. It's just way too short. It's really cute, the patterns and the colors, and I love olive green. But yeah, it's too short for me. So this one's not a keeper, but I could see it on somebody else would be so cute. I just wish it was a little bit longer. Even like a midi, it would be really cute in a midi. Or a shirt, if it could just be in a shirt or a little tunic. I mean, this literally almost could be a tunic on me. But yeah, and I can't remember how much this one is. Here, I'll look for you. It's right here. This one's $65. It again it's a little bit see-through. I just pulled my tank down really low. Definitely would have to wear a slip or something underneath this one. You go out in the sun and it would just be zoom all through you. So I'll get my stuff back on and I'll get back together with you guys and do final thoughts. See you in the sack. Hi guys, I'm back. Wantable actually did really, really good this time. I was actually very surprised. So I'll just kind of go over what the top, but oh my gosh, what the box total was. With Wantable, if you keep 5 items, you get 20% off, I believe. Yes, 20% off if you keep 5 or more. Fortunately, I don't think there's 5 items in there that I'm going to be able to keep. I'm really liking those Dear John jeans, so we'll see. Have to think about those maybe, and let me know what you guys think if there was something that you thought maybe looked good on me that I didn't. But my box total was $456. I would get $91.20 off of that if I kept everything. My styling fee would be credited back to me, which was $20, so my total would be $344.80, which, you know, it is what it is. You kind of get that with these boxes. I don't mind it. I mean, the jeans alone were probably $200. The Dear Johns were $80, I believe. So yeah, that's my Wantable box for the month. They did much better. They must have been hearing me in my head saying, this is my last one. I've only tried it twice, but the first one was just a lot of more businessy stuff, and I think they did pretty good. I mean, they didn't know I didn't like, I can wear, or I will wear the sleeveless shirts. It's just, some of them, the way they cut in is just, it's not flattering on me. I feel like my head looks small sometimes. I don't know. I do. I feel like sometimes I have a small looking head. I don't know. So I had fun with you guys today. My Stitch Fix is coming in next week. My trunk club's coming in next week. My Trenson's coming in next week. I should try to space these out a little bit more. It's kind of like in 1 week I always get all of my boxes, which sometimes can be fun, but when you have stuff to do, it's kind of hard because you only have so many days and you have to remember which one has 5 days, which one has 3 days. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.